Alright folks, welcome to your crash course on mastering email marketing as a beginner. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to hit send like a pro. First things first, let's talk about why email marketing is so powerful. Imagine having a direct line to your audience right in their inbox. You get to share your message, build relationships, and drive sales all with a few clicks. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Now let's dive into the basics. Step 1. Building your email list. This is the foundation of your email marketing strategy. You need people to send emails to. Start by creating a sign-up form on your website or landing page. Offer something valuable in exchange, like a free ebook, discount, or exclusive content. People love freebies, and this will encourage them to subscribe. Step 2. Choosing the right email marketing platform. There are tons of options out there like MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ConvertKit. These platforms help you design emails, manage your list, and track your performance. Pick one that fits your needs and budget. Step 3. Crafting your emails. This is where the magic happens. Start with an engaging subject line. It's the first thing your audience will see. Make it catchy and relevant to grab their attention. Next, focus on the content. Keep it concise, valuable, and easy to read. Use images, bullet points, and clear calls to action to make your emails visually appealing and effective. Step 4. Segmenting your audience. Not all subscribers are the same, so don't treat them that way. Segmenting your list means dividing it into smaller groups based on factors like demographics, behavior, or interests. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant emails, which leads to better engagement and results. Step 5. Analyzing your performance. You can't improve what you don't measure. Pay attention to metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data will help you understand what's working and what needs tweaking. Don't be afraid to experiment and test different strategies. Alright, let's recap. Build your email list. Choose the right platform, craft engaging emails, segment your audience, and analyze your performance. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it, learn from your results, and always strive to provide value to your audience. You've got this. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.